Hi guys, welcome to Travel and Tech Videos. It's me Vilesh Parab here, and today we'll be reviewing Rockerz 255, a Bluetooth handset. Now, why do you need a Bluetooth handset? For two reasons. One, it provides you a great convenience. And second, our phones don't have headphone jacks anymore. So let's look at the packaging of this device first. It says that it retails for 2,999, but you can find it in sale for roughly around 1,500 to 999. At the back, you will see these specifications written here. Let's go through those first. It says it has CVC noise cancellation, A to DP audio technology. Being Bluetooth 4.1, it connects up to two devices simultaneously. It has 10 dynamic drivers which lock with each other with magnetic lock, and it provides up to roughly around 6 hours of battery life. So let's take it out of the box. Let's keep the headphones on the side first, and let's look. There is a pouch here which has paperwork, charging cable, and some ear tips. Let's keep those on the side, and let's look at the build quality of this headphones. Now, the first thing that came to my mind is the boat branding is there everywhere on these headphones. Now, the build quality, although being plastic, doesn't feel cheap at all. Now, let's look at the design of this. It has this earphone design with a slightly angular tip and has a boat branding at the back. Let's look at the controller now. It has a nice matte finish to this. It has a 3-button setup which can be used for play and pause, volume up and down. On the other side, you just have boat branding both inside and outside. Now, let's look at the controller once again. It has this nice tactile feel to it. So I really like that it has this tactile feel, especially in neckband. That is something that is very useful. Now let's look at the charging port. It doesn't have USB Type-C. It just has this normal USB chargers. So that shouldn't be a problem for most of us then. I appreciate the fact that they have added this small rubber coating on it, so definitely adds on to the IP rating to this. It has a flat style cable with a red accent, so I really like the design of this. Let's talk about the controller. It has a small LED light at the bottom, very noticeable, but it is something that is there. It's a 3-button setup, as I said it earlier. The middle button acts as a multifunctional button to play and pause music, drop calls, skip to next track, or go to a previous one. Speaking about the earbuds magnetic lock, it is pretty weak, so it is something that is there, but it's not something that I could rely on. I appreciate the fact that these earphones have left and right engraved in them, so that is a very nice touch by both. In terms of fitting, it fit nicely in my ears, and the neckband wasn't too heavy because of being plastic. Outside, I have to play it at a little louder volumes because although the sound is very full, in this one, it's not that loud enough for me at times when I'm in a busy environment. Now, let's talk about A to DP technology. Because of this, there is barely any lag with the video and the audio. Something that you would appreciate when you're playing games like Call of Duty or PUBG Mobile. The thing that I like the most about this is the Soundstage. The bass is not overpowering, so you can still hear the mids, the lows. The vocals are also pretty clear in this. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this device if you can get it for under 1,000 rupees, which often in sale you will get it for 999. If you find it for something around 1,400, 1,500, I think that you can find a better device for that price with Bluetooth 5.0 instead of 4.1 in this one. And just to let you know, having 4.1 does reflect on the range that you get for this. Battery life also takes a hit. I roughly got around 5 hours of battery life from this. Good that it supported quick charge. Now on and on, I would say that both Rockerz 255 are great for price of 999. So I hope you enjoyed the video guys. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and turn on all the notifications so I can see you in the next one. Until next time, it's me Nilesh here signing off.